Leleshwa Getaway. You see on the cliff. So here, this is a riparian area. We have the river. This river is known as Kiserian River. It goes and it joins with the Pakati River, and it goes down all the way to Ati River. Then it connects to Tana River, and it connects all the way up to Indian Ocean. So you can see still a very natural habitat, like it was created at the beginning of time, and it's still the same way. So this is a natural habitat. So here when Leleshwa Getaway on this side, the other side is Silole Sanctuary. Yeah, it's a property, the Silole Sanctuary, which goes all the way to Masai Lodge and Nairobi National Park. The other side is Nairobi National Park. So, of course, I have to highlight, thanks to God, thanks also to our Maasai community, which are in the indigenous inhabitants of this place. So, before in the time of our forefathers, our Maasai forefathers are the ones who, who pioneered this Nairobi and this area. So, once again, a big thank you to my Maasai, culture, and yeah, so for keeping the environment as natural as it is since the beginning of time. So guys, we are trying to wind up, climb the cliff. The rain is a bit, steep, and here we go. Here we go now. I'm here, so you can see down there. This is a very natural part of it. So guys, enjoy our view of the seasonal river. When the rain season comes, it really floods and goes almost to the level of the trees. But for now, since we have been having a prolonged dry spell season, that's why you see the riverbed is dry. But if you come here when it's a rainy season, you'll have a shock of your life, because the river will just, be passing on top of the canopy of the trees. So I like this rock environment. Here we have the African rock python, and so when you walk here, you become a bit careful. Sometimes there's the wildlife. You can easily bump into the African rock python, among others. But having said that, it's still a wonderful getaway. Yeah. So guys, that's all I have for now. Make sure when you come with a guide, so that they can show you around, so that you can be safe while you're around. Sure. So time to navigate the rock. Sure. So guys, this is it. So here is the rocky place. So you can see nature. Yeah, you can see nature in real life. Yeah. So guys, this is a natural place, and I think this is it. It speaks for itself. So thank you very much guys. Catch up in the next episode.